Now, I'm sure you've heard of YouTube because you're watching this video on the YouTube platform. But did you know that you can listen to music on YouTube and get paid every day, hour, or even every minute? Take a peek at what's going on here. This is the amount of money you make. Listening to one song on YouTube can earn you $5. 5 songs can earn you $25, and 20 minutes of music a day can earn you $100. With your smartphone or computer, you could complete all of this in roughly 5 to 10 minutes. You might also repeat the same strategy, and it's all 100% free. There's no need for a credit card or investment, and it doesn't matter if you're from the United States, anywhere in the world, including UK, Canada, Australia, Philippines, India, Nigeria, and more. Make sure to watch the entire video since it will provide you a great suggestion on how to multiply your profits and make 5 times more money than the others who don't. Make sure you don't miss out on this chance by sticking with us all the way to the end of the video. Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. By the way, we're having a PayPal cash giveaway. So to those who want to win $10 in PayPal cash, keep an eye out for the dollar bill that we put somewhere in this video. Then like the video, subscribe, and comment down below the timestamp you found it in. So watch out and get the chance to win a PayPal cash prize. Alright, let's get back to the video. The current app is the first app that should download, since it rewards you for listening to music. However, I'll show you a couple more apps that you may want to download for free on your phone later. Then I'll teach you how to utilize them in real life, as well as what music you should listen to, and a bonus tip to help you make more money. Make sure you pay attention and don't skip any sections of this video, because I'll show you on YouTube how to perform all of these songs and earn a lot of money. We'll start at the top and work our way down. You'll note, and I desire to earn prizes while jogging. As evidenced by this page, it's possible to do it while running, working, or sleeping. In fact, you can do it while the music continues to play in the background and still earn money. Both the Apple Software Store and Google Play Store have versions of this app. This is the app logo if you have an Android phone. Check to see if you've downloaded the proper one though. It has a population of nearly 1 million people. This app has a rating of 4.4 stars, so it's a great application with a lot of substance. That is completely legit. This can be found on the Google Play Store, and you can go to the iOS App Store and download the same one on your iPhone. I'll show you how to play music and how to choose the best music that will pay you the most money before I show you a real-life example. This app has over 100,000 radio stations. YouTube is one of them. You do not need to spend any money to start using this application, and you may listen to music online or even while you are not connected to the internet. It's absolutely free, and you can earn points by listening to your favorite music, which you can then exchange for cash. You may then start listening to YouTube music on the radio after downloading the app from the Google Play Store. So pay attention when you go into your account and see something like this. Because this is the only one of the many methods to make money while playing music, I'll show you 2 more different ways to make money. We'll listen to music while we watch, and I'll show you a couple more tricks to help you make 3 times if not 4 times as much money as the others. This is the music webpage for you. You may learn about music, listen to playlists, and discover new musicians. If you go to the bottom, there is a lot of recommended music that you may listen to and play together on YouTube Music. With the existing website, you can profit from the combination of these programs. So now I'm going to show you a practical example. There's a lot of music on this page. They will automatically go on the next song after these songs have finished playing, and they'll be able to play all of the songs right now. And they'll be compensated for each and every one. When you can see the playlist here, the magic happens when you pick the repeat button by hovering over your cursor over this icon in the lower right-hand corner. Meaning that once these playlists have finished playing from the first song all the way down to the last song, it will automatically hop back to the first song and report, allowing you to earn money over and over again. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us, and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. The bonus tip I want to give you is to make sure that you have a lot of music. As you can see, I have roughly 20 songs lined up to generate money faster. The second piece of advice I can give you is that when you go to the main page, you'll notice these hot lists. When you click on the hot list, you'll be taken to a page with higher quality, more recommended videos and music to view. I strongly advise you to select one of these videos because they will pay you more money. It can sync your YouTube music with this app, allowing you to be compensated for playing music on YouTube. This is the first method of monetizing your musical talent. The second method, which I'll show you right now, is one that you're probably familiar with. Maybe you watch YouTube videos on a daily basis, like what you're doing right now. And as you probably are aware, they can play videos and music videos. Pop hits, 20 popular songs, top 40. You can listen to this music playlist for an hour and earn money by simply repeating the process of listening to all these songs. So I'll give you an example. This is the sole tab in my Google Chrome browser that is open. And as you can see, I'm gonna switch to another tab and listen to some more music. Then there's the third tab, which allows you to listen to more YouTube videos. In my browser, I currently have 3 tabs open. So here's an extra tip that I'll give you if you open a lot of tabs. You can earn money while listening to music right now. I'm gonna give you some more suggestions that will help you generate even more money. To begin with, go to YouTube and play the music that is at least an hour long because the longer the music is, the more money you can make. The second tip is to click on the settings button, which is located on this page by default. The speed may be normal, but when you double the speed will be twice as fast. You should select 2, which indicates the music can be played twice. The more music you listen to, the more money you make. Another suggestion here is that if you can reduce the quality to 144p by turning off the quality, you can listen to music even if your online connection is slow. Or there are a lot of people using the internet or your Wi-Fi, you can play it on multiple tabs. It's crucial that you keep the quality low enough so only 144p of your internet is used, and you have time to do other things. Now I'm gonna show you the final extra feature, which is a new Google Chrome plugin that allows you to regulate the speed at which YouTube videos are played. You can download this using your Google Chrome browser, your PC, or your phone, as indicated below. It's absolutely free and over 80,000 people have already signed up. The magic happens when you download the Chrome Google browser. Because YouTube only allows for 2 times the normal pace, you can play this on your phone at 3 times the normal speed. You can play it at 3 times, 4 times the normal speed. The top right-hand corner of the Google Chrome add-on allows you to change the pace. By hitting the pause button, you can increase or decrease the playback speed as illustrated here. You can make a lot of money now that you've downloaded the extension because you can play music on the YouTube platform as well as the YouTube Music platform much faster. So when are you gonna do it? To get these apps, all you have to do is head to the Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone, you can download the current Rewards offline music app from the App Store. That's all there is to it. And that's everything. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below and we'll see you again next time.